The human body is a complex, highly organized structure made up of unique cells that work together to sustain life. Cells are made up of many smaller parts, each with its own purpose. Inside the cells is a fluid known as the cytoplasm, which contains structures that are vital for the health of the cell. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, or DNA, the code or book that stores biological information. Mitochondria are tiny structures that provide the cell with energy. Related cells joined together are collectively referred to as a tissue. Various types of cell work together to accomplish specific functions. Connective tissue is tough and fibrous and binds the body's structures together to provide support and elasticity. Organs are made of several types of tissue and cells. For example, the heart contains fibrous tissue that makes up the heart valves, muscle tissue that contracts to pump blood, and special cells that maintain the rate and rhythm of heartbeats. Organs are also able to work together in groups called organ systems, such as the cardiovascular system, which includes the heart and blood vessels and is responsible for circulating the blood.